Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify recurring payments. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to set up Shopify recurring payments, all you need to do is you're going to need to head over to your top search bar and search in here for recurring payment and simply search that in your app store. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. And here you can see we have various subscriptions related integrations that you can go. So you can see we have Recurring Go, and using this you can easily have your subscription incorporated on your site, and then you will have your recurring payments automatically done. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you guys. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.